began. I can't begin to know and Bab, but then I know it's growing strong. Wasn't the spring, and spring became the summer. Who'd have believed you'd come along? Hands, touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Hey, Bob Squad, what's going on, everybody? How the hell are you? I got Stridor. What happened? You weren't going to get Stridor, and I wasn't. Okay, I have to tell you this story, so you're just going to have to listen to this. Sorry, guys. I wasn't going to get Stridor at all, and I'll let you look at the box art while I ramble on. But I kept seeing him on clearance at my Walmart and Target for lower and lower, and I thought when it gets low enough, I'm going to buy the damn thing. So instead of his original price of $33, $35 American dollars, finally I saw him on sale for $15 at Target. And I was like, cool, I'll do that. It's less than a figure, and you're getting a big robot horse. So, very nice, right? Okay, there's the art. You see the eagle that's orange and blue, whatever it is, and a volcano, He-Man, and Stridor, and Grayskull in the back. Very good, very happy? Okay. So, and these are the other figures you could look at, yada, yada, yada. The Grayskull thingy, yada, yada. So, I get to the self-checkout. It's the only thing I'm buying, right? I'm just doing self-checkout, in and out, no bag, no nothing. And, of course, it breaks the damn machine. It doesn't recognize, I think, the whatever called, the clearance barcode thing messes it up. I try another machine, and that gets busted, and a young lady, an attractive young lady, has to come over and help me. And I feel like an ass. And she gets the scan, and it doesn't ring up as $15, it rings up as the original price of $32.95 or whatever. And then she just walks away. So I looked at the situation, I looked back in her direction, she's gone already. I looked at the machine, I looked at wherever she disappeared to, I looked at the machine and just went, screw it. Now I'm paying full price. I waited and waited. I could have got it at $25, $20 at Walmart. I got it down to $15, and I ended up paying full price for this anyway. So I haven't looked at this figure since yesterday because I'm mad. It screwed me, and I'm going to say fuck several times in my adult toy video. You're going to have to, if you don't like fuck, you're going to have to deal with it. This is the fucking box art. And there's Castle fucking Grayskull. Glittery sports bra, Skeletor. There's the horse you just bought. There's a fisting He-Man. There's a sorceress. And these three figures that, if you live in America and don't have them, then you don't want them because they're like cockroaches. Some people probably have them by accident. They don't even collect He-Man. Okay, so I got that rant out of the way. Looks like this. This is how it came. It's just going to do that. New for $22. Nope, buying one of them. One of them was a big enough chore. There's Fisto. He made his appearance. I guess they were teasing a Roton because it's been a while. We did the Roton last week. And this is the horsey. Let's go around. Side box art is a dragon thing. That's nice. Then there's another dragon, creepy crawly guy. Let's take a look over here. One-time assembly. Okay, get it on that. So we'll have fun with that. And let's see if I can get it this week. First of all, that's the NFT. Okay, don't fall for those. And where is it? Where is it? Where is it? You can probably see it before I do. Ah, I found it. Made in China. It's made in China. Heroic Armed Warhorse. At full price if you're stupid and shy around ladies. Okay, open them up. Alright, it says one-time assembly. So I think it goes in like so. And that's it. Really? I bet you could come out again. That's kind of bullshit. This is the Grayskull piece. And this is the... I don't know how that's supposed to go, honestly. Listen, I'm not doing a real toy review, and I'm going to say fuck more. So, a good toy review on this specific toy would be Gojitron's channel, and Michael Mercy did a good one about this as well, so I'll put links to their fuck. Okay? And those of cleaner, suitable language, yada, yada, yada. He looks great. He looks great. Obviously, the big difference is they didn't have any articulation in the legs in the original Stridor. I did have this, the original Stridor as a kid, so there's a lot of warm and fuzziness. Same reason I got the Roton. And I remember always wanting his legs to move, and they never did. I didn't even really know. I didn't even know if I had Stridor. I didn't even know if it was a He-Man figure or a knockoff. I couldn't really tell because there were knockoffs of everything back then. Oh, okay, his head does. Oh yeah, he can like neigh, that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm getting a little more sold on this. So he's got some reins, so the figure can. I bump the camera, so the figure can hold these. Let's take a look at his rear end. LOL. He's got a gun. It doesn't go up and down. It does swivel left to right, and you can murder people with it. Okay, there's a little motion here. I don't think this is really designed to move. I think it's just bendy. The legs do quite. He can kick up. That's about as far as it goes, but that's a hell of a lot more than the original, and I think it's really all you need. I guess it goes. No, I guess it would go this way. No, I guess it wouldn't go that way. It goes this way, I guess. Fuck me in the ass with a rusty fishing knife. God damn it, all to hell. Get in there, you motherfucker. This sucks balls. This sucks hairy, giant, mechanical horse balls. Fuck me. Come on already. You gotta cram that damn thing in there. Ah, Jesus Christ. I'm sweating like a whore in church in this fucking apartment. Okay. I don't know. The stand, I guess maybe Stridor shouldn't be attached, I guess. So it's hard to get the stand in, or I just can't do it. Come on. $3 whore. Get in there. I don't know how it works. I like the horse. Yeah, it's got gadgets and makes it a little mechanical. I never really understood if Stridor was alive or a robot or not. I think he is alive, but his race is just a robot horse race, because sure it is. Those are controls, so there's some justification to how they're moving Stridor around, but isn't Stridor sentient and have his own ability to move around? I don't know. I don't really know. They just said, robot, horse, screw it. Figure it out, kids. And I think they did. Did Stridor have any appearances in the original Filmation cartoon? I don't think he did. I don't think so. I don't recall. Oh, guns, you can murder people with them. So, I knew that. Okay, so I'm putting the short end into the side of the horsey here. Oh, God damn it, nothing works. What the fuck is missing from our lives that we do this? Bob, don't leave that in. You're totally leaving that in. Okay. Okay, so here's guns, and they just go up and down. You can go, shoot up, fight off an aerial attack. Oh, this one fell out too. Okay. Maybe they don't go in that way. Maybe they just go in. Are there any instructions? I should watch one of those real toy videos I mentioned earlier and learn how to do this. Alright, so you saw the box art, right? Very good. Let's try that Grayskull thing. This will go well. This does not really attach to the floor of Castle Grayskull. This is the position they tell you to put it in. It doesn't attach. And why would they let the horse in this area anyway? Wouldn't he be outside? I think this would look better outside as kind of like a little stable area. Oh, I got the stand in. Where the fuck is the fucking fuck? So I got it in and I took it out because I think I had it facing... Son of a bitch. I think I had it facing this way, which is wrong. And it probably should be facing this way. But the thing is, then it occurred to me, he's a horse. He doesn't fly, so why does he need a stand? I don't know. But anyway, let's just do this here. There's blast effects. I didn't notice the blast effects. So that's the guns, and this is the one coming out of his ass. And there you go. That's what Stridor looks like with a figure riding him. Oh, you're supposed to use a regular figure again. I forgot. Sorry, guys. Hey, listen, I actually do like the Stridor figure, but despite the circumstances and the excessive fucks. I love having a piece of, an extra piece of Grayskull. Get out of here, Landshark. What are you doing? I love having an extra piece of Grayskull to have. I'm not going to put the flight stand in because he doesn't fly or display whatever. There's some blast effects and the extra horny thing. Yada yada yada. He is a cool addition. It's the perfect, in the spirit of MOTU Origins, it's the perfect adaptation. It almost looks exactly like the figure you had, but they just gave you a few more points of articulation and shined it up a bit. Pretty much as you remember it. So, um, it's very MOTU Origins, this figure. If you're on the fence with Stridor, like I was, on the fence, because, lol. If you're on the fence and I know the fan is on, it got hot, sorry. And you see him on clearance, go get him. If you see him for less than the cost of a regular figure, and you were on the fence, yeah, he's cool. Listen, the box art is cool. If you want to preserve it, but you got no space, take a picture or film it like I did. You could always revisit it. And that's that. So I do recommend it. Yeah, nothing works. I don't know. What happened? What about Landshark? When you hurt, what happens to you, Landshark? And when I hurt, hurting rolls off my shoulders. How can I hurt when holding you? One, touching one, reaching out, touching me, touching you.